Senptec Electric Mixer Drive System E8, a globally oriented electrification solution engineered for concrete mixer trucks to achieve low-carbon operations, fuel savings, and high-efficiency performance. It was developed based on Senptec's leading expertise in commercial vehicle e-drive systems, low-voltage control systems, and telematics. Designed with automotive-grade forward development and backed by 42 national patents, certified by CE-UK-CA and E-Mark International Standards for export compliance, enabling triple benefits: environmental sustainability, economic efficiency, and operational excellence. The E8 comprises 3 core modules: Mixer Power System, Dual Circuit Electronic Control System, and the eMixer Win Digital Management Platform. Mixer Power System includes drum drive, motor, generator, power control cabinet, electric booster drive box, and electric chute drive unit. The power control cabinet contains key components such as high-voltage battery, VPU, motor controller, and thermal management system. It utilizes the generator to recover braking energy and recharge the system, providing power to the drum drive motor that drives the drum. Dual-circuit electronic control system includes cab control screen and rear control panel at both sides and handheld control panel. It enables precise visual control of drum rotation. eMixer Win digital platform monitors concrete quality throughout transit, optimizes fleet management efficiency via data analytics. Leveraging integrated hardware-software technology, the E8 outperforms competitors with reliability and safety, fuel efficiency and sustainability, intelligent management, rapid rescue, compatibility, and extended service life. The E8 has undergone a long period of practical verification, with rich practical experience and sufficient validation. Drum drive motor is specially tailored for the working conditions of the mixer truck, with significant advantages such as high torque, high reliability, and long service life. It can adapt to mixer trucks of 6 to 16 cubic meter, with a service life of over 15 years and wider applicability. In addition, Senptec has created a dual-circuit redundant control system, which ensures that any unit failure does not affect the normal operation of the system, making it safer. Compared with peer products, the E8 features an advanced HEV air-cooled battery with a higher discharge rates, enabling more efficient brake energy recovery. Greater recovery means more fuel savings. The air-cooled battery needs no air conditioning compressor for cooling, avoiding power consumption from the traction battery, with the system achieving 30% overall fuel savings in real-world use, replacing the traditional hydraulic system. The E8 reduces hydraulic oil emissions, cutting total emissions and carbon by over 30%. Plus, engine shutdown lowers noise by 10 decibels, creating a quieter, more comfortable driving environment. The E8 features 3 intelligent controls for precise, visual mixing tank rotation, convenient and efficient. Its rear control panel boasts IP68 protection for all-round shielding. Equipped with a digital management suite, it intelligently monitors system status, provides fault pre-warning and preventive maintenance to mitigate risks, and accurately records analysis driver behavior, mileage, fuel consumption, and other data for intuitive presentation, enabling fleet-refined operation. The drum drive motor equipped with the E8 is reserved with a rescue interface, which is the same as the traditional fuel mixer rescue mode. The rescue equipment is universal, and the removal of the drive motor is not required during the rescue, which is simple, fast, safe, and efficient. The E8 core components comply with EU standards, boasting long service life and reliable quality. Its customized high-temperature, long-life HEV batteries last 10 to 20 years. The power control cabinet, assembly housing, electrophoretically treated, resists corrosion for over 10 years with an overall service life of 10 to 15 years. Additionally, the equipment supports integral disassembly and relocation for reuse in other vehicles, greatly cutting the whole life cycle cost. Eco-conscious, durable, efficient, smart, Senptec Electric Mixer Drive System E8, pioneering the sustainable and intelligent evolution of global concrete transport. Choose E8 for a greener, smarter, more reliable future.